Hi guys, Amanda here with another project review. This time I'm going to be reviewing another crochet project. So this time I crocheted a market bag called the Loopy in Love bag by Loopy Handmade. So the bag consists of 13 granny squares sewn together, and so you crochet 13 squares, and then once you have all your squares made, you assemble them, sew them together by hand, and then it makes a bag. So this bag pattern called for a DK weight in about 574 yards of cotton, and it also called for H8 5mm crochet hook and a G6 4mm crochet hook. So for the main part, the granny squares, the crochet hook, the bigger crochet hook is used, and then you use the smaller crochet hook to do the handle. So for my bag, I'll show you it. This is my granny square market bag. So I didn't have enough of one color cotton, so I used 3. So for the middle color I used Creek Garden Crafts Pima Cotton. For the outside, the gray, the next color here is the Cotton by We Are Knitters, and then the black is the same, Cotton by We Are Knitters. So I used all of my black. By the time I got to my handle, I started with the black, and then I ran out, and then I had to finish the handle off with the gray. So that's why you've got that V, and then the inside of the handle is gray, and then I also used it for the tassel. So when I was done the bag and just poking around in my stash, I actually found a full ball of the black. So I actually could have probably done the whole bag in black, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out and my color choice. And yeah, I'm excited to use it when I go to the market or the grocery store next time. It's really big, roomy, and it's got a lot of stretch, so it'll hold all those heavy vegetables that you find at the market. I found the pattern was really well written. The instructions were really detailed, and it also had photos to go along with it, which really helped me because I'm a beginner crocheter and I've only done like one granny square in my life, so the details in the pattern for assembling the bag and just general crocheting the granny square was really great. So I would recommend this pattern to anyone who is a beginner crocheter or who wants to try it out. Yeah, highly recommend it. So please go and check her out. It's called Loopy Handmade. I'll link her. And the bag is called Loopy in Love. I also did a water bottle cozy from her, and then I've also got a dishcloth that I'm about to knit up. So yeah, so I hope you liked this project review, and I hope you go and knit yourself this crochet yourself a handy market bag. Thanks for watching.